how to fill out the Lululemon affiliate program. So the first step is to go to Lululemon's website and then scroll down. Now here at the bottom of the page, you're gonna see this affiliates button. Usually it is under the About Us section. So simply click on that. Now again, scroll down and then click on Apply Now under Affiliate Program. Now here, you're gonna have to complete these 4 steps. So you have account setup, then promotional type, promotional space, and verification. So here, you're gonna have to enter your company name. So you don't actually need a company, so you can enter your name and then choose your country. Then you're gonna have to enter your first and last name, enter your email, and then create a password. Then click next step, and then here you're gonna have to basically answer a few questions about how you're gonna promote the Lululemon products. And then here you're gonna have to simply enter your social media accounts, and then here you're gonna have to simply verify your email and then simply wait for approval from the Lululemon official admins. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching.